Hi everyone, my name is Tommy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going through one of the most controversial palettes that came out this year. It is the Morphe collection with Jaclyn Hill, the Vault collection, excuse me, can't talk today, it's fine. This specific palette is Armed and Gorgeous. We have 10 beautiful shades right here. I'll be doing a little tutorial with them. As you can see, I already have my foundation contour. I'm baked. I got some concealer on. No highlight, a little bit of brows, and we're just going to go into the palette straight away. If you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Okay, the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in with our Morphe B42 brush right here. And we're going to be going into the shade Access, this one right here. And we're just going to be putting that all throughout the crease region from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. Next, we're going to be going in with this same exact brush after we have cleaned it off on our little towel. We're going to be going in to the shade Secure right here. And we're just going to be putting that in the inner and outer corners. So we're going for a halo eye. Now just going into Secure, I just went into it for the first time. And as you can see, there is quite a bit of fallout. That's my first note. Let's see how it blends on the lid. So the pigment on that one is definitely very good and it blended out pretty nicely. Honestly, I have no complaints with that orange, which is good. The next thing we're going to go into is the Smooth Criminal. But we're going to change up and we're going to go in with an M321 brush right here. We're just going to go into the Smooth Criminal and we're going to put that in the outer and inner corners, but not blending it in so much, just to give it a dark moment to get that halo eye look we're going for. Next, we're going to be going in with the Morphe M321, and we're going back into Access, and we're just going to be buffing out all the way up to the brow, not touching the brow, but just to make it look like a seamless blend from the shadow to the primer foundation up into the brow. Next, just to sharpen up the inner corner here, I'm going to be going into that same shade Access, this time with more of like a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to make the inner corner a little bit more of a circle, going, of course, out into the blended upper lid area. Next, using that same exact brush, we're going to be going into the shade Access right here. And we're going to be putting that all throughout the lower lash line, connecting it to the inner and outer corners. Next, we're going to go in with some concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, one of my recent favorites. This is in the shade C3. It's my darker shade that I like to use. And I'll be going in with the Morphe 213. It's just this flat defining brush here. And I'm going to be going in and just putting it right on the center where I plan on putting a glitter pigment, just to give it that halo effect. This is going to help the glitter pigment stick better and look bolder on the lid. Next, I'm going to be going in with the same Morphe M213. I'll be going into this shade right here, Coin. It's a very yellow-green glitter pigment. Green. Did I say green? Yellow gold. We all know it's gold. And with that, this eye is complete. I'm going to be off camera for the second eye, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts on this palette. Okay, everyone, and we are back. I put on the other eye, of course. I put on some lashes by Ardell in the style 120. A little bit of the MAC False Lashes Mascara. This one right here. And then, of course, for the highlight, I used my traditional e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls, and then I topped it with the MAC Christmas collaboration. Well, it's not a collaboration, Christmas edition. Right here. This was from last year, and this is in the shade Happy Go Dazzling. I absolutely love this one. It's super bright and bold for those of you who like that. Final thoughts on this palette. There has been a lot of controversy on this palette. Some people really, really love it. The ones that they got were amazing. The one that I got was personally amazing. And I hope that the ones that you guys get are too. For $15, honestly, the shades that you get, the pigmentation that you get, it's unrivaled. Honestly, I love this one. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette by Morphe in collaboration with, of course, Jaclyn Hill. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below. I'll be heading out to go shopping and a little dinner date here in a moment. But I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you stick around for the next one. There will be a full series on the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. There are 3 other palettes, I'm sure just as amazing as this one. The only negative thing I can possibly say is there was quite a bit of fallout on this shade right here called Secure. It's a palette, like there's gonna be one shade that's not like that amazing, but overall the pigmentation was great, and I loved it, and I would highly recommend. I'm just gonna finish up here with some Fix Plus. This is the one in the shade, or excuse me, the scent Lavender. We're just gonna spritz it all over. And we're gonna grab our fan because we remembered this time. And with that, the look is complete. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Again, if you have any comments, leave them below. Leave a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos at least once a week. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.